Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Michael Holton and today I'm going to give away the 1,000 subscriber ball, which is this little baby here that we made a couple of weeks ago. First of all, I'd like to thank everybody who took the time to watch my videos, like and subscribe to the channel, and those especially who left a comment as well. I've tried to reply, well I have replied to every single one of them, and I will continue to do so as long as I'm able. We had an awful lot of videos go out before we reached 1,000 subscribers. So what I did was go through each one individually, and with a tool on the web, I got it to randomly choose one winner from each video. That list of winners all went into a random generator to pick the single winner. Some people's names got put in more than once because they've commented nearly on every video, and some of the videos only had 3 or 4 comments, so for names to come out more than once isn't surprising in this instance. I'm not going to say what name is yet. I'm going to show you the process that we did to pick the final winner. I haven't contacted that final winner yet, so if you're watching this now and you haven't had an email and presuming it's not you, don't worry, I'm going to let the winner contact me so you can still keep the elements of surprise to see if you won or not. Right, so in a second I'm going to switch to the screen capture of the video of us picking the winner. But apart from that, thank you very much indeed for watching the videos. We are going to be running another competition when we get to 2,500 subscribers, so I would really appreciate if you could keep liking the videos, watching and leaving comments as well. Apart from that, thank you very much indeed. So here we are. I've gone into Google and I've chosen a random list chooser, a random name chooser. There's many on there, but I just used the first one that came up. And then I pasted in the complete list of winners from the individual weeks. You can read through the list there. As you can see, some names appear more than once. Now when I hit that little square button below that, it will randomly choose me one winner, which is Wood Wizardry by Colin. So Colin from Wood Wizardry, you are the winner. Please drop me a line and send me your address and we'll get this sent off to you. But thanks again for everybody who took part, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.